Are you facing an SSL certificate error when you're trying to access your GoDaddy email? That security warning can be alarming, and it completely blocks you from sending or receiving emails until it's resolved. In this video, I'll walk you through a quick and effective solution to resolve GoDaddy email SSL certificates error so you can get back to using your email securely. And if you need extra help troubleshooting, then you can call our experts at the numbers on the screen. Let's fix your SSL error now. First of all, you should access your GoDaddy email account. Next, you need to click on the profile and then choose the My Products option. On the next screen, simply go to the SSL certificate option. After that, click on the Setup option next to SSL certificate. Now, in the search section, type your domain and click on the Continue button. Then, choose the Complete Domain Control and then see if you're still facing any issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.